Hello students, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss 12 marks important topics or problems for your final exam. Part D contains 12 marks question. There you will find total 6 questions. Out of 6, you have to answer any 3 questions. Got all of you? Part D is about 12 marks question where you have to answer any 3 out of 6 questions. We'll see on which topic these 12 marks problems will be asked. First is from chapter 3, that is recording of transaction 1. So in chapter 3 in the 1 marks question pattern, that is on journal entry, passing the journal entries. Next is from chapter 4, that is recording of transaction 2. So ಈ chapters ಇಂದ total 2 questions ಬರ್ತವೆ. 12 marks ಇನ 2 questions. Number 1, double column cash book. Preparation of double column cash book ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಡಬಲ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬುಕ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ one problem definitely will come on this topic, that is preparation of double column cash book. Second question ಯಾವ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ any of these 3, that is purchases book and purchase return book with ledger posting, or sales book and sales return book with ledger posting, or preparation of proper subsidiary books, that is purchase book, purchase return book, sales book and sales return book. Next is from chapter 5, that is bank reconciliation statement. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ 12 marks questions ಬರ್ತದೆ, that is preparation of bank reconciliation statement, that is on favorable balance and unfavorable balance. Next is on chapter 7, that is depreciation. So each chapter is one 12 marks question ಬರ್ತದೆ, that is either on fixed installment method or diminishing balance method. So ಇದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ one method ಮೇಲೆ 12 marks per problem ಬರ್ತದೆ. Fixed installment method or diminishing balance method. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Assets account and depreciation account. So ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ one method ಮೇಲೆ 12 marks problem ಬರ್ತದೆ, where you have to prepare assets account and depreciation account. And the last is chapter 9, that is financial statement 2. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಸಹ ಒಂದು 12 marks question ಬರ್ತದೆ, that is on preparation of trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So total ಎಷ್ಟು question ಆಯ್ತು? 1, total 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 questions ಬರ್ತದೆ. Out of 6, you have to answer any 3 questions for 12 marks. So in last video also ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, please chapter 3 and chapter 4 are very important. Okay, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ chapter 3 ಇಂದ 6 marks ಇನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, but 12 marks ಇನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay, from chapter 3. chapter 4 ದಿಂದ 6 marks ಇನ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಮತ್ತು 12 marks ಇನ 2 questions. So these 2 chapters are very important. I hope this video will help you to score good marks in your final exam. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you students.